My name is Sofia. I am 20 years old. I was in an IB program and now I study EESE in my 4th semester. I'm from Spain originally and I ended up in Switzerland because of my parents' job. So to facilitate the integration process, we moved with my parents.
So my name is Tejas. I'm 21 years old right now. I study EESE. I'm in my 4th semester. So I heard about EESE when I was in my sophomore year in high school. I got to know about it from a few alumni. I was also interested in the EESE syllabus that was shown to me. And from then on, I've just gotten to know more people who were part of the EESE.
My name is Olga. I'm from Russia. I'm 21 years old and I study Energy and Environmental Systems Engineering here at HSLU. I'm at my 4th semester and I just recently came back from my internship.
So the fact that this is an English program overall draws a lot of students worldwide to want to study an environmental engineering and energy engineering program.
HSLU was one of the only schools who would offer such education in English because this was my main goal. Even though I spoke French, I did prefer having a full English-based education with as well practical aspect of it.
And my experience at HSLU has been that I get far more hands-on experience with, for example, electrical work. And although it is not everything that you need in order to actually work in the field, it does give you a head start over perhaps other more theoretical universities.
The main condition to studying at HSLU or at the University of Applied Sciences is having a 1 year of working experience. And this 1 year of working experience, you can do it anywhere, but as long as it stays within the engineering field. And of course, university supports you with finding an internship and explaining you how it works and all the steps you have to take.